Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode coming up. I'm going to make some arancini. That's a Sicilian rice ball. And I made some risotto last night. I had steak and risotto. Now the risotto itself is pretty labor intensive. It's a lot of stirring and adding liquid and stirring and adding liquid and stirring and adding liquid. So I took the leftover risotto, and normally for the arancinis, you put a little bit of mozzarella cheese and then you put a little egg wash and bread them and fry them. And you got these nice little balls. I did a little bit of a twist on it. I used my favorite cheese. Now I don't know if you can actually call it cheese. It's more of a cheese loaf, but my favorite cheese in the world is Velveeta cheese. So I stuffed them inside my leftover risotto and made arancini. So we're going to do that for Appies with Chappy by the lake coming up.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I just got some arancini Sicilian rice balls. I had some leftover risotto and I stuffed them with my favorite Velveeta processed cheese loaf. So we need a drink to go with my balls. So I'm going to make a Mary Pickford. This is actually a martini style drink. So I got my martini shaker. I'm going to go a little ice. And of course I have my trusty bartender's guide, and so I have the recipe for a Mary Pickford. So we got 1 ounce of a light rum. This is a white Bacardi rum. And then 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And then it says a teaspoon of grenadine and a teaspoon of maraschino cherry juice. So I have a little bit of maraschino cherry juice. And just a teaspoon of grenadine. And we'll give that a shaky. And it is a martini drink, the Mary Pickford cocktail. So we'll put it into a martini glass. And I have a nice umbrella with maraschino cherries. And that's a Mary Pickford to go with my balls. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.